Hello YouTube, Sunburn, First Aid and Rules for Safe Exposure to the Sun. Even 30 years ago, sunburned skin was considered a harbinger of a beautiful tan. People calmly sunbathed in the sunny rush hour in the open, wanting to get rid of the painful pallor as soon as possible. Today we know that there is no healthy and beautiful tan. There is a sunburn with subsequent darkening of the skin. Beautician told about how it is safe for health to be in the sun in summer and what to do with sunburn. Causes of sunburn. Sunburn is a radiation burn of the skin by UVA and UVB rays, in which heat accumulates in the skin. UV rays damage the DNA of the cells of the epidermis and dermis. The body tries to repair damaged cells, but since this is not possible, it releases inflammatory markers. This leads to vasodilation, tissue edema and painful reddening of the upper layer of the skin. Burns occur in the sun without sun protection equipment. By sun protection I mean properly applied sunscreen. 1 square centimeter minus 2 milligrams of the product. For example, to fully protect the skin of the face, you will need about ½ teaspoon. Light-colored loose-fitting clothing made from natural fabrics. Headdress. The brim of the hat should reach at least 7.5 to 8 centimeters. Sun umbrella. The duration of safe exposure to the sun without the use of protective equipment depends on the skin phototype. On average, no longer than 10–15 minutes. The appearance of redness is the first sign of skin damage. Then attached to the symptom: itching, combustion, swelling, with a burn of the 2nd or 3rd degree, blisters, ulcers form. Increased body temperature, nausea, weakness. Sometimes sunburn is accompanied by sunstroke. Sunstroke is a brain disorder caused by exposure to direct sunlight on an uncovered head. As a result, blood vessels expand, blood circulation increases, and the brain swells. Sunstroke and sunburn can occur at the same time if, for example, a person is exposed to direct sunlight for an hour or two. But these are different states. In the event of a blow, the brain suffers. In case of burns, skin. Help for sunburn. During even a barely noticeable redness of the skin on exposed areas of the body, I advise: hide in a diffused shade or go into a room where the direct rays of the sun do not fall in order to avoid further damage to the skin. Take a cool shower. The temperature of the water should be comfortable for the body. Soak a clean towel in cold water and apply to the burn area. If it hurts to take a shower, you can cool the skin with a cold compress. Apply deep panthenol on dry skin. Apply disgracefully every 2–3 hours. Moisturize the skin with a water-based cream or aloe gel. In case of a burn, the skin is dehydrated, which causes it to peel and itch. Moisturize the skin until it is completely renewed, approximately 2–3 weeks. Drink enough water, 1.52 liters, so that the body does not dehydrate. Avoid contact with the sun. Go outside in closed, loose dark-colored clothes. In case of severe skin pain that interferes with movement and sleep, purchase hydrocortisone cream, 1%. Headache, temperature are eliminated by paracetamol or ibuprofen. Sour cream, kefir, yogurt, butter and other food products are not applied to burns. These are fatty foods that lie on the skin in a thick layer, preventing the heat accumulated in the tissues from escaping. If after 2–3 days the temperature, headaches, nausea do not disappear, I advise you to consult a doctor. You should also consult a doctor for 3rd-degree sunburn. Symptoms of 3rd-degree burns are deep red skin, painful blisters, dehydration, vomiting, fever that cannot be brought down, chills. Take care of yourself and your skin. Take care. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.